Yes, sir, for the reinstatement fees.
Okay. 45. Is there any other fees I have to pay?
It looks like everything else is taken care of on our side. So
Okay.
unless you have something, yes, sir, for the reinstatement fee. I'm sorry, one second. I got a ricochet going on with a different screen. But sir, yeah, I don't know what you have in other jurisdictions or what the Secretary of State's going to ask of you, but you take care of this and you should be straight.
Okay, so I should be able to next contact the Secretary of State.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Yes, sir.
Judge, I'm sorry, that was for insufficient.
Per agreement.
Per agreement, okay. Thank you.
Yeah,
I'm sending the offers now.
Okay, cool. Ms. Bryant, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you maybe turn the camera around because you're kind of upside down for me.
Oh, here?
There we go. Thank you. All right, my name is Judge Williams. Let me call your cases. This is State of Michigan versus Naran Bryant, case SP 102-5110, counts 1 and 2. Could you state your name for the record, please?
Naran and Q Bryant.
Okay. Ms. Bryant, there's 2 charges, one kind of driving without a license, one kind of driving without insurance. Ma'am, do you have any of your documents yet?
No.
Okay.
I didn't have and I can't get on.
I'm sorry, ma'am. You're breaking up on me. Can you repeat that one more time?
I didn't have a license. And I still don't have them because I couldn't get them because of these tickets. I forgot all about the tickets.
Okay. So, ma'am, what I can do for you today, if you wanted to resolve these, I would amend the driving without a license ticket to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, which is a no-point offense. Doesn't go to the Secretary of State. I'll dismiss the no insurance ticket. The fine will be $240, but I'll give you time to pay that if you need it.
Okay.
Do you want to take that deal?
Yes.
All right. Could you raise your right hand, please?
Yeah.
Do you promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right. You understand that you have the right to take these matters to trial if you like?
Yes.
Anybody promise you something other than what we just talked about? Okay. Ms. Bryant, directed your attention to the date of December 10th, 2019, where you pulled over in the area of Gratiot and Belvedere.
Yeah.
At that time, were you driving without a license?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to accept your plea to the amended charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive as the case SP 102-5110, count 2. I'm going to dismiss count 1 pursuant to this agreement. I'm going to assess a fine of $240. Ms. Byes, could you waive the reinstatement fees on these matters?
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Bryant, how much time do you think you would need to pay that?
I'm going to pay it today.
Okay. So, ma'am, just to be sure, we're going to say, we'll say April 30th, 2021.
Okay.
All right. Do you have any questions? I'm sorry, you broke up on me. You gotta try it one more time.
How do I?
So, Ms. Bryant, right now, I can't really hear you, so I'm gonna stop your video. Maybe that'll make the audio a little better, okay?
All right.
Okay, let's try it again. What'd you ask?
How do I pay my fines?
Oh, that actually sounds a lot better. So, ma'am, you can pay them online at 36districtcourt.org, or you can pay them at the DivDat kiosks, I know they're at CVS's around Detroit. Also, the cashiers down here at 36.
Okay.
You got any questions, ma'am?
No, that was the only question.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Ms. Bryant. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye. We got Tiffany Berry. Ms. Berry, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
How you doing, man? My name is Judge Williams. I'm going to call your cases.
Mhm.
Well, let me ask you this, Ms. Berry. Is your middle name Marie?
Yes.
Okay. This is State of Michigan versus Tiffany Berry, case SP 877-922, counts 1 and 2, and case SP 994-596, counts 1 and 2. Ms. Berry, today is the day set for an arraignment on the warrant. I'm going to remove all of the warrants on these matters.
Okay.
Ms. Berry, if you wanted to resolve these today, what I would do is I would amend one of the license tickets to an amended charge of failure to display a valid license, which is a no point offense, and I'll dismiss the other 3 tickets. Ma'am, there's going to be a fine of $240 plus the reinstatement fees on these cases, but I will give you as much time as you need to pay it.
Okay. And how do I pay that at the courthouse?
You can pay it at the court kiosk or the DivDat kiosks, which are at CVS's around Detroit, or you can do it on the website, 36districtcourt.org, or the cashiers.
Okay.
Would you want to take that offer?
Yeah, you said the 240.
It's $240 plus there's going to be reinstatement fees on these cases because they went in the warrant status. 45 times 4. It'd be another $180 in reinstatement fees. Did you post a bond, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. We could apply the bond. It would take a lot longer to get the holds lifted. But if you want us to apply the bond, it'll take about a month to get this done.
Oh.
But if not, they're just going to send it back to you.
Okay, so I'll just rather just pay it off. That way, I could just get my license back.
Yep, and then they'll send you your bond money back.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so Ms. Berry, could you raise your right hand?
Yes.
You promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Berry, you understand that you have the right to go to trial on these cases?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down.
Oh.
Ms. Berry, anybody promise you something other than what we just talked about?
No.
All right, ma'am, directing your attention to the date of June 5th, 2018. Ma'am, were you pulled over in the area of Curtis and Warwick?
Yes.
At that time, did you fail to display a valid license to the police officer?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to accept your plea in case SP 877-922, count 1. The rest of these matters will be dismissed pursuant to this agreement. Ma'am, how much time do you think you would need to pay this?
I could pay it today, I guess.
Okay, give you a month just to be sure. We'll say April 30th.
Okay.
If you don't have it paid by then, ma'am, just zoom back in and ask for some more time so you don't get late penalties, okay?
Okay. So you said after I pay this off, they'll send me my money for my warrant back, or?
Yep, they'll send you the money that you posted for your bond.
Okay. I'm ready.
All right. Do you have any other questions?
Nope, that's it.
All right. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hey, Judge.
Yes.
For Mr. Bouye, his attorney, is requesting, can we push his case out for another 2 weeks?
Sure.
Matt is here. He spoke to Matt. If you want to speak to Matt, Judge.
Good morning, Your Honor. I spoke, well, didn't speak with him, but through via email, Mr. Stevens. He got his second COVID shot yesterday and he was having bad symptoms. He wanted to see if we could push the case out to 2 weeks for the pretrial.
That's fine.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll let him know and send him out an email.
Okay, can we set it for a pretrial though? All right.
Yeah, we can, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. Ms. Bryant, do you have another question?
I do. I paid the bond. Does my bond get
your bonds
applied?
will be returned to you.
Okay. All right. That was the only question. Thank you.
Yep. So they're gonna return your bond to you, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a great one.
You too.
Bye-bye.
All right. That's cool. I got Dewan Bryant. Mr. Bryant, how you doing, sir?
How about yourself?
I'm doing all right. Let me call your cases. This is State of Michigan versus Dewan Bryant, case 13629-373, count 1, and case SX 2368880, count 1. 1 second, Mr. Bryant. All right, sir. So what we have here, sir, you got 2 cases that are up today are the 2 matters that you have warrants on. And we're going to remove the warrants today on these 2 cases. Sir, I would note that you have another 4 cases that are civil infractions, cases that you did not have to come to court on. There's a fine that's out there on those cases that I can't do anything about at that point because they're so old, but we can deal with the misdemeanors.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do, sir, is I am going to remove the warrants and dismiss these 2 misdemeanors. You're still going to be responsible for reinstatement fees for both of the matters, and you're still going to be responsible for the civil infractions, but you're not going to have any warrants at 36, and the 2 cases that had the warrants are dismissed.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Do you have any other questions?
Yes, sir. So how much do I owe in total on my tickets in order to be able to obtain my license?
Okay, I can't give you a total right now just because, you know, I'm just looking at a screen, but I see that there's a ticket for 228 and another ticket for 288. So that's just kind of rounded up around 500. Also, you owe another 324, we'll say 820, and then another 246. Let's put you over 1,000 plus the reinstatement fees.
Yeah. So once I pay off those tickets, how will I go about paying off the reinstatement fees?
Oh, you can pay them off the same way you pay the tickets off. The reinstatement fees, because there are only 2 misdemeanors, would be $90 in total.
Okay, that's cool. All right. And what about like a payment plan or anything, or I just have to pay everything
No, you don't have to pay it all at once because the other matters are just the civil infractions. You can pay as much as you want when you want. It's just holding you up getting your license. But like you can pay it as you go, just when you get a little bit to go.
But I'm trying to get my license as soon as possible, so it'd be best if I just pay it all off in order to do that.
Yep.
All right. Thanks. Thank you, Your Honor. That's all I have to say.
Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Judge, was this for insufficient or?
Yeah, insufficient. Okay. Let's see what this iPhone is. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Sorry about that.
Hey, no problem. What's your name?
Burton Black.
Mr. Black, sir, I'm just checking you in. I'm going to put you back in the waiting room, but we'll be with you in a moment, okay?
All right, that's perfectly fine.
All right, thank you, Mr. Black.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Nasani, I think everything else I have are trial dates. I don't believe I have any Spanish speakers today.
Okay, I appreciate you letting me know early on.
Appreciate it. I think you're good to go.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Clayton, I'm going to do one more and then I'm going to call yours.
Okay.
Ms. Ball?
Yes.
How you doing today?
Fine, and you?
I'm doing all right. Ma'am, today is the day set for, okay, looks like you got a payment due in first week in April. Do you need more time?
Yes.
Okay, how much time do you need?
At least 3 weeks.
Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna give you till we'll go to the end of May. We'll say May 26th. Okay. So, ma'am, just make sure it's paid by May 26th.
Okay.
All right. Do you have any questions?
No.
All right. Good luck, Ms. Ball.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Clayton, do you have Tyrese and Jarius?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm gonna bring them both in. I don't believe I have an officer.
Sounds good.
Mr. Brown, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tyrus Brown, and I'm still trying to connect with Jarius Brown.
Hey, bro, your stuff connected in there?
Yep, your attorney's here, Mr. Clayton, Mr. Clayton, and I'm just gonna call your cases together.
Okay, I was just asking him if he was all right. Let me go ahead and close this door.
Darius Brown, can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, I'm gonna call the cases. 1 second. This is State of Michigan versus Jarius Brown, case U 571302220, and State of Michigan versus Tyrus Brown, case U 571302120. Today is the day set for trial. Mr. Clayton, sir, could you put your appearance on?
Yes, Your Honor. Spencer Clayton appearing on behalf of Tyrus and Jarius Brown, P number 77302. Judge, today is the date and time set for trial in this matter. I don't believe the officers have checked in. We'd be moving to dismiss at this time.
Okay, Mr. Brown, Tyrus Brown, are you up today? Are you okay?
I'm tired, man. I've been working all week.
Okay, well, I'm gonna just ask you to sit up for this hearing, okay? All right. Maybe he doesn't hear me. These matters are dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Clayton, please talk to your people.
I will. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We cannot.
Wait, you leave now? Wait, what happened?
Okay, Burton Black is at this. Wait. He's got some other cases, but he's paid all of his civils, so I'm gonna dismiss him. Mr. Black, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
All right, let me call your cases. The State of Michigan versus Burton Black. These are cases SP 106 7027, counts 1 and 2. And sir, I see you also have 2 other matters that are set for June. I'm going to call those 2. Cases SP 106 2489, counts 1 and 2. Mr. Black, sir, today is the day set for an arraignment on the warrant. Sir, I'm going to remove the warrants in these matters. And sir, I'm going to dismiss all 4 tickets because you paid your civil infractions associated with these cases.
Yes.
So these matters are dismissed. Ms. Bias, please waive the reinstatement fees for the matters in warrant status.
Okay.
So Mr. Black, sir, you are all set.
As of now, my license is still suspended. I was wondering, how do I go about that to reinstate?
So they're going to lift the holds today. But I would check in with the Secretary of State to make sure that the status has been changed.
So as of now, all my warrants are lifted and or my ticket, so my license will be reinstated soon.
They will be very shortly. But
that is perfectly fine.
But they're getting there, so we'll see. So I'm
greatly appreciate it.
At some point today.
That is okay, and that'll be all.
Yep.
I greatly appreciate it. You enjoy the rest of your day, Judge.
You too, sir.
Yep.
Okay. Mr. Phillips, I got one more that's set for a trial date. So I think we're good today.
Okay. See you next week, John.
I got your email, and we are gonna put that Morales Perez on our docket.
Okay.
Is next week a good date?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so just you can let them know that they'll be on our docket for next Wednesday in the morning.
Okay, thank you, Honor.
Thank you. What was this?
No idea, Judge.
Ms. Gaylor, can you hear us?
Yes.
Okay, you're in the wrong courtroom.
Uh-oh.
I believe you're supposed to be in 435. You're in 335.
Okay, I gotta go look at my papers again.
Okay, before so the ID that you put in the Zoom 360.
Yes.
It should be 360-435-0000.
Wait, one second. Can you give me that number again?
360.
1 second. Three 60.
Ashley, give me 1 second to make sure that's right.
Okay.
434.
434.
You said 434. No, you said what courtroom, Judge?
I said 435, but is it 434? Langston.
Yeah.
Okay. So Ms. Gaylord, it's 360-434-0000.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Do we have or did you already send me Beely's ticket?
Yep, Judge. I sent you the ticket, and also his offers are in the offers too. When I sent you 2 emails.
Okay, yeah, I got it. I see it now. Thank you. How you doing, Mr. Beely? Mr. Beely, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. Sorry, are you in Michigan right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is State of Michigan versus Daniel Beely. Cases Give me 1 second here. SP 111-07631 and SP 111-05731. Sir, you're charged with 1 count of driving with no registration and 1 count of speeding 21 to 25 miles over the posted speed limit. Sir, I'm gonna continue your not guilty plea. Mr. Bailey, sir, today is the trial date, and it's my understanding that the people are ready to proceed. But we're going to try to resolve this matter if we can first, and if not, we'll take it to trial.